To create a survey or questionnaire with Google Forms, start by searching for Google Forms in a browser and clicking on the first link. Sign into your Google account. Then click on Go to Forms if you're already signed in. On the Google Forms homepage, select a blank form and give your questionnaire a title. You can then add questions and options, and make certain questions required by clicking the Required button. To add more options, click the Add Other button. And to add a new question, click the plus icon on the right-hand side of the screen. You can choose from various answer types, such as multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph, by selecting the multiple choice option and choosing from the drop-down menu. Once you've added all your questions, you can adjust the settings by clicking on the Settings option at the top center of the screen. Then selecting the Response tab. Here, you can choose to collect email addresses from respondents by selecting the Collect Email Address option. If you want to make email address collection mandatory, select the Responder Input option. This will add an email field to the top of your form. You can also view responses to your form by clicking on the Response tab, where you'll see a summary of all the responses you've received. Google Forms also allows you to customize the appearance of your form. To do this, click on the color palette icon on the top right-hand side of the screen. Then select a background color and text style from the options provided. When you're ready to share your form, click the Send button on the top right-hand side of the screen. You can share your form via email by entering the recipient's email address, or by copying and pasting a link to the form. To get the link, click on the link icon, shorten the URL if desired, and then copy and paste it into an email or other document. This will allow others to access and complete your form.